So refreshing! Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to make a juicy coconut jelly dessert. Let's go! For the ingredients, we need 1 fresh coconut, also 150 milliliter of the coconut milk, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of jelly powder. Begin by cutting the top of the coconut. Be careful not to drop the juice. Then pour the juice into a cup. We have 400 milliliter. Then remove the coconut pulp by using a sharp knife. Slice it into thin pieces. Now filter the coconut water into a small pot. In a small cup, add 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of jelly powder. Then mix it well. Pour it into the coconut water and boil it. Fill up 2/3 of the coconut. Pour the remaining into a separate cup. Then add the coconut pulp slices, pour 150 milliliter of coconut milk into a small pot. Then in a small cup, add half a teaspoon of jelly powder and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then pour it into the coconut milk pot. Mix it well. Then boil it. Make sure the surface has become solid. Pour the coconut mixture on top. Keep in the fridge for at least an hour before serving. Here you go! Looks great! Bon appétit!